Alright, what's going on, everyone? So welcome back to my channel. So today we got a little unboxing and a install on the Diablo Sport. So let's go unbox it. Alright, so we got the Trinity 2. Looks like some instruction, PCM swap, Big Daddy, unlock PCM. So what I gotta do is I have to swap my other one out and send them that. Here, let's unbox this. Let's see. Okay, that looks legit. Not bad, not bad. Got that. Wires. What's in here? Okay, we got a little mount. And another thing I bought on Amazon, knowing when I purchased this, is I got a dual OBD2 port, so I could use my taser and my Diablo Sport at the same time. I feel like that was a good buy. And now we're gonna install it. So that's everything. Should be easy. Let's do it. Alright, so we got the instructions right here. Definitely gonna read them. So it says remove the negative terminal from the battery, remove original PCM, swap any and all brackets / insulators onto modified PCM, install PCM, reinstall negative battery terminal. Alright, let's do that first. We're gonna remove the negative terminal right now. So that is in the trunk right there. Yeah, this little thing right here. Ignore the dirty. By the way, I got this on wish.com. It was about, I think, 25 bucks. I'd say it's pretty worth it. It's the first time I'll be using it. Looks decent, I would say. So let's take this battery off. This negative terminal. Let's see. Honestly, this toolkit works okay for now. Gets the job done. I live in an apartment, so I can't have a bunch of tools and shit all over, so I figured for now this should do. 20 bucks. Alright, negative terminal is off. Simple. Put that back. Alright, let's see what's next. Remove original PCM. I will show you where that's at. Little update on the Volant intake. It's running pretty good. No issues at all. Fits good, sounds good, feels good. Another thing, I bought these off Wish too. They're little like pry tools for things, so I'm gonna try using these because the PCM is right back here. So you want to take this off, take that off, and then you want to take this, and that off, which I clearly broke already last time, because when you get the Diablo Sport PCM swap, you got to send them the calibration ID that's on the PCM, so you have to take all this off. So all right, let's do that right now. All right, so The PCM is right there. Yep, we gotta take both of those off, these two screws off. Should be simple. Let's do it. Same socket as before, 10mm. One. All right. And two. All right, you want to take this off right here. Little turn of events. My girlfriend has to go through the trunk because I don't know if there's a key holder.
The shit is your thing that holds your batteries like popped up like this. I don't even know.
Oh, you've got to be fucking shitting me. I also got the trunk hooked. Oh man, look at all this shit. Oops.
I don't like you right now.
Clean your car. That's my girlfriend.
How's it hooked in here?
It's hooked up on the top, so you have to like lift it up kind of. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome.
Wow, well, that was really stupid of me. See, I had this hooked. All right, well, I think we're good now.
Ugh.
Try this again. Oh. Okay.
So what?
Hold this. Oh.
Don't get it stuck again.
Beautiful, baby, beautiful. All right, so what you want to do is you want to hit this twice. Leave it on for 5 seconds. 4, 5. And then turn it off. And then you want to, you're good, you should be good to go. You should be able to just start it up. Sound normal, everything normal. Then you got to hit the gas, make sure that's normal. That's normal, okay. All right, we're gonna turn it off now. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install both of these so that I could plug in my Diablo Sport and the Taser. All right, so that goes right here. Clicks in like that. All right, so from there, we're gonna plug this wire into the Trinity. Plug that in, it should turn right on. Let's see. Yep, cool. Put that back on here. Make it all tight. It's fucking hot out here. Ooh. All right, so I'm gonna have to do something with these wires right here, but I'm not too worried about that right now. Just want to get this going. Excuse me, just want to get this going. There we go. We got all the lights and everything. Well, terrible timing. There's a guy cutting the grass right here, so give me about 1 second, but that's the screen. All I did was hit tuning, and I'll get back to you in 1 second. One thing I do want to let you guys know is I've never done anything to cars. I had a Fox body before. I think I did a little bit, like put a throttle body on it, and I don't even remember what else. Maybe an intake, but other than that, I did nothing. So when it looks like I don't know what I'm doing, I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm just going with it and learning everything slowly. So just work with me a little bit, and we'll get it all done. But I hope this video has been pretty good. Like I said, I'll get back to you. It's on 23% right now, so I just want to let you guys know that, just update you a little bit. And I appreciate watching this whole video. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys. All right, so after all that loading, it just said, do I want to install? I just hit install, and now it is writing the tune. All right, so turn ignition off. Continue. Now this is really what you have to do every time. So don't think I'm just replaying this over and over. Nope, you have to do this every time. All right, let's make sure we got everything. All right, so that was basically the install. So now we are gonna drive the car, see if it runs, see if everything's good, and I will update you guys. All right, so that was the install right there. Not sure how long it was. Hopefully it wasn't too long, but I don't know, there's a lot of turn ignition on, turn ignition off. Also, I wasn't sure if the 93 tune was a Diablo Sport, so I had to call them and double check. But it was, if it says Diablo Sport, that is the 93 tune. And here, I'm gonna do a quick little thing real fast. So right there, I did a little, you know, a little quick pull. The throttle response is a little bit better. Nothing too crazy yet, but I really didn't get on it too hard. I did the trans tune and the 93 tune. And I gotta say, the trans tune, I could totally feel difference. Like, I can't really explain it, but it feels stiffer. And before with the taser, when I went into track mode, I used to have a lag between first to second, second to third, and that's completely gone. So, which is awesome, because I hated driving in track mode regularly, because like my car would literally jerk in first and second, and I never knew why. I just figured it was part of like, I don't know, track. But like when I got out of in track mode, it was fine. Just like when I was going, you know, the speed limit, let's say. So so far I've driven around for a few minutes, and I've noticed a hell of a difference. It is, a lot of people said you won't notice a difference. I don't know. I really noticed the difference. It pulls so much harder, and I cannot wait to get a custom tune to see how much better that actually is. So in a few minutes I'll be pulling up to Mexico and the Mexico highway, so I'll be doing a few pulls there, seeing how I feel. So I will let you guys know and update you on that once I get over. Alright, so I'm about to give you a little tunnel action, and let's see how this sounds. Man, I'm so excited for this, you have no clue. This car was just so sluggish, like it felt fast, but not that fast. Alright, little tunnel. Holy shit. It's so loud. I'm sure you guys can hear it through the video. Alright. Just got to Mexico right now. Got through border security, no problem. Have the passport on me. So it sounds a little different too. I don't know if that's normal or not. I don't know. Maybe it's just in my head. Alright, let's see. We're gonna do a little pull. I'm already going pretty fast, so slow down a little bit. Alright, we're gonna do a little 60. Alright, 60. Feels pretty good, not gonna lie. It pulls straight through the whole time. Like it just keeps pulling and pulling. So you can feel the trans too. It definitely shifts a lot higher. And with the trans tune, it kind of holds RPMs too. It doesn't, like right now we're at like 3K. Usually it would shift by now, but which is fine. You just kind of got to be careful. Don't want to blow the trans, you know. But yeah, it feels pretty good, not gonna lie. It feels definitely really good. So I would rate this, I don't know, 8 out of 10. Pretty good. Can't wait for a custom tune. Installation was very easy. I paid about 650 bucks. I will link the Diablo Sport website and everything you need down below. And like I said, I also got an air intake on this, a catless mid pipes. So either way, let me know what you guys think about the video. Thank you for coming back. Maybe I'll do the next video. I'll get like my girlfriend to record something for me so that I do like flybys and stuff. Maybe some 0 to 60 times. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you guys for coming back. And we've gained some subscribers recently, which is awesome. And let me know what you guys think. And I love you guys, and thank you.